Hello guys, if you are facing error or your description is not updating in your YouTube channel, then go to customize channel. Here this will open new page and search for customization in left sidebar here, and then go to description section here and update this. Okay, and you have to change translation for channel name and description also here. So edit this and update your description here also. Okay, and remember channel name should be mentioned here. Sometime there is blank, and then save this and publish your work. Okay, and go to your YouTube channel and refresh the page and check the description. This will work. Hope this helps you a lot. Thank you.